Hi everyone, I'm Audrey and this is It's On. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I'm really glad you're all here. So in today's video, we are going to do a Greek lemon chicken soup. This is meant to be a renovation of an Avgolemono, which is a chicken soup that's made with rice and egg as a slurry and lemon. It's a Greek dish. When my husband and I were dating 20 some odd years ago, he would take me to this little Greek place in Ohio where we lived at the time, and they made a beautiful version of this soup. So lately I've just been craving it a little nostalgia, so I thought I would try to recreate it from an AIP Elimination Phase perspective. So I hope that you like this as much as we do. Without much more chatter, let's get cooking. Okay everyone, we are back with a taste test of the Avgolemono, or the Avgolemono. I might be saying that wrong, and if you're Greek and I'm pronouncing it terribly, just, skip that part. I apologize if I'm offending anyone with my pronunciation. Anyway, this soup turned out pretty good actually. What I did, as you saw in the video, was I used cauli rice instead of regular rice. The good thing about that is that when you use regular rice in this traditional soup, if it sits in the fridge, then the rice just soaks up the stock and it becomes not soup and more like a risotto after a little while. But this will actually retain its soup form for the next couple of days if you're wanting to meal prep it. Also, you can up it or down it in terms of size, so great for batch cooking and freezing. The other thing is that I did a 1/4 cup of lemon in this soup because my family is not huge, like super lemony people. So, but if you really love the lemon flavor, you could go up to 1/2 cup of lemon juice in this particular soup. So with the size that I did, so you could do a 1/4 to 1/2 cup. I'll put that in the recipe below, but let's just give it a try. Let's see. Okay, I'll show you what it looks like. Oh, well, maybe not. Try to show you what it looks like. It looks like that. Oh, let's see if we can get the focus. Looks like that. And this has got the ground turkey. Now, one other tip is that you can use leftover shredded chicken, or like rotisserie, like if you've roasted a chicken and you have leftovers, would be great in here. You can also just use chicken breast cut up. I just used ground turkey because that's what I had in the fridge, but you do not have to use that by any means. So let's give it a try. Oh, that's nice. Let me see. Oh, I like that. I'll enjoy it. You could I used regular onion, but I think it would be even better with green onion, chopped up. Same amounts though, about a cup. I'm trying to think, maybe a little bit of fresh parsley would be really nice on top if you're just wanting to change it up a bit. You can also add kale and all kinds of stuff to this if you want, just to bulk it out with vegetables, but this is a really good base. I'm gonna really enjoy this week, and I'll have it for lunches probably at work. It'd be great with the crusty baguette bread that I do on this channel. I'll put that down below as well, just as a soup and bread sort of lunch. Other than that, I hope that you guys like this as much as we do, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks, everybody.